Have you ever been frustrated trying to fix this device simply because you always encounter charging port issues with it? I know it's a challenge of many persons out there, but this device is not that difficult to fix. It's actually a Bluetooth device with a huge speaker inside. It comes in different categories and types, but this is especially meant for connection of phones, radio, so on and so forth. This customer brought it to me that his charging port is no longer working. So it took me a couple of minutes to fix it and get it back to its position. That's actually the charging port interface. As you can see, the middle part of it has pulled off, and I need to get it done. Before that, I have to detach the battery from the board. That is the battery. Whenever I open it, it's always red and black. This is a speaker wire. It can come in various form and color of the wire depending on the type of Bluetooth you are using. It's actually very necessary to know that this Bluetooth speaker comes with a lot of components attached to it. As you can see, that is the memory card slot. You can actually use it with memory card or use it connected directly to this phone or a device. And those buttons out there are the buttons used for probably switching it to the next mode, or this is the earpiece port and that is the USB port. The USB port can actually be used probably for external device like memory card when you have a card reader for it, and that is the power switch. I got this charging port fixed in less than 30 minutes, and it's actually working for the beauty of the owner. What we say, thanks to Haritech for making this device come back. If you're facing challenges with this type of Bluetooth speaker, you shouldn't worry about that. We got you.